there's a big crane. It's an LR 1300 Corolla crane. Now it's equipped with a pile driver. Each one of these slabs weighs 14.3 tons right here. And there's the VIN number. This crane it's a very large crane. The tracks, there's a idea of how big the tracks are. And then this side, there's the boom, the pile driver. But I would do a walk around, but I just really have nothing to say about it. But here's the pile driver it's equipped with. Here's the pile driver. These are the piles that they're piling reinforced concrete. That's what bangs it down. And then you see these marks here. That is where they have to pile them in. But each one of those are feet. So that's 88 feet in the ground right now. But that's the actual pile driver, and there you can see is where the hook attaches.